guys, so welcome to the first video on toy reviews for everyone. So today we have a bunch of surprises. We have My Little Pony, the Uglies, and Shopkins, and much more. So let's get opening. Let's start with these My Little Pony trading cards. Here we have Pinkie Pie and DJ Pon, Twilight Sparkle, Pinkie Pie, Rainbow Dash and Scootaloo, and Fluttershy, and this little trading card. Squishy Pop Surprise. We have some Shopkins. So the first one we have is Teeny TV. Next, Jennifer Rain. These are season 3 Shopkins. Let's open this surprise egg at the top. I wonder what's inside. It looks like we have a My Little Pony dog tag. There's a long chain, and this one is Sunset Shimmer Pony Equestria Girl. Here is the card with it. This is Cheese Sandwich. Whoops. And here is the sticker. And the collector's guide. Let's open another Squishy Pop. It looks like we have a Pinkie Pie as a Squishy Pop and a Shopkin. This is Mary Meringue. She is an ultra rare glitz. And Pinkie Pie. Let's open an Uglies. Ooh, we have one ugly. Let's open this pink surprise. Chocolate capsule. More Shopkins. This is Tennis Ball. And this is Puppy House. 2 ultra rares from season 4. Next is fashion. We have Pappy the Troll from Frozen. Now let's go on to this. Can you see who's in there? We have Elsa. And she is going to cook us something with salty pan. What's she cooking? She has cooked us some spaghetti bolognese. This is really cool. And now the last surprise. We have one Zombling. This is an ultra rare. Then Woolly Hat from Season 4 Shopkins. Then Miss Prezi. Well, that's it for this video. Be sure to give this a thumbs up and subscribe for more toy videos. Bye!